The past few months, we have been presenting River Tech Elementary to the community by offering free classes every day of the week. Let's take a look.
I sought the Lord, and He answered me, and delivered me from every fear.
Tech takes up the largest part of the curriculum here at River Tech, with ample opportunity to learn everything from videography and sound engineering to programming and robotics.
In a world that sometimes seems to spiral out of control, River Tech can provide stability. We teach the children Christian, conservative values along with team building and leadership skills so that our children can face tomorrow with their heads and hearts lifted high.
We also offer River Tech Kindergarten, a safe place where your child learns to read and plays with STEM and Montessori toys, learning to draw and sing, and participate in tech and art projects.
Besides regular subjects like math and English, River Tech will also be teaching musical theater, entrepreneurship, and yes, martial arts.
To enroll your child in our K-12 program, visit rivertechschool.com or email learn@rivertech.me or call 425-444-2081. We hope to see you and your child this fall.
Magnify